Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to unstack columns using pattern. So let's take one example. Here we are having a data in one column, which consists of the name of the appliances, its sales, and profit. We want to unstack it. So let's write down here appliances first. Here sales, and here profit. I'll zoom it. Now I will write one pattern. Let's say MN. Start from A4. Our data is in A4. It's starting from A4. So I'll write on A4 and remove the equal to sign. Just write on MN4. Next, MNA5, MNA6, MNA7, MNA8, MNA9. So the data is in A4, A5, A6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to reach till A15. Okay, select this, drag it, A12, A15, done. Now press Ctrl H. Write down MN is to be replaced with equal to and see the magic. Replace all. Done. Click OK. You just see that now the appliances are in one column, sales are in another column, and profit is in another column. So the stacked data is converted into the unstacked data. So this was all about how to unstack columns using pattern in Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.